There's a 1955 Chevrolet 210 Handyman wagon. Just in it unique, especially in classics. Been street rotted a little bit. 327 V8 underneath the hood now. It's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Power brakes, front disc also. So a front disc, power brakes. Riding on Vision 5-spoke wheels. Nice rake to this car. Take a look at the chrome, bumper, grille, headlight surrounds up front. Show well on this one. Of course, the iconic hood ornament. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. You can consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures, the undersides, interior, engine bay. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see the panels on this one are nice and straight. Kind of a medium yellow, I would call it. Vinyl interior, cream bench seat, first and second row. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a little closer look at that interior. Two-tone with the white top. Brightwork's got a few little spots where they've straightened it out, maybe a ding here or there, but still shows well. Nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. Come around to the rear, you can see dual exhaust. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper. Appears that it has been re-chromed also. This was an original V8 car, power pack. You can see by the emblems on the back. VIN does start with a VB, so original V8 car, 210. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to check out the data tag, that VIN tag. Be 100 pictures or so online of this vehicle. Take a look down the driver's side here. Once again, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Bright work on this side. Not really much for dings in it. Paint is not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. I noticed a couple up on the front by the hood. I'll show you here in just a second. A couple just real small ones. The typical spots on each side where that big hood closes. You get just a couple real small ones. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels match the seating surfaces and kind of the ivory or cream vinyl. Black carpeting. Carpeting looks new. Seats are free of rips, tears, holes. How about the headliner? Matching headliner. All right, aftermarket set of gauges down below, and those were working. Fired it up a little bit earlier. Let's go ahead and start this up. And remember, 327 V8 paired up with that 4-speed manual. Has Flowmasters on it, newer exhaust, headers, and we'll look underneath the hood here in a second too, but you're going to see Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake. Here's the gauges. You can see those. It was a cold start. Voltmeter and oil pressure. Alright, we're in neutral. Slip around the back so you hear it run. A little rumble coming out of that 327, but nothing crazy. Alright, let's slip up to the front. Let me see if I can get this one-handed. I think maybe we'll get this one-handed for us. There we go. Alright, mentioned power brakes. 327. As you can see, headers, HDI ignition back there. We do our Edelbrock 4-barrel and a nice polished Edelbrock intake manifold. There's a battery disconnect for in between drives, or maybe also in storage. And you can also see the data tag. And that will be in the still pictures. Also, stick around to the end of this video. We're going to take a little drive in this, and you'll be able to see what it's like going down the road. Take a virtual ride, if you will. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1955 Chevrolet Handyman. One part station wagon, one part 210 or Bel Air style Chevrolet. Great exhaust sound, very good acceleration in this Chevy. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Under the dash we have a volt gauge reading 14, oil pressure reading 40, and water temperature reading 195 right now. Fuel gauge is showing 1/4 of a tank, that could be correct. The radio does power up. I did not get sound out of it, but it lights up. Good handling in the corners in this car. If I let go of the steering wheel, she goes a little bit to the left. There's a little bit of play in the steering, but that doesn't affect handling. This is a vinyl white bench seat. Very nice looking interior. You'll want to check out all the pictures and read about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.